My dear sisters and brothers, Chibai, you all know, I am sure, that Mizoram occupies a very special place in my heart. I visited many times over the years. Your customs and culture, the beauty and richness of your land have left a deep impression on me. Above all, I have never forgotten your warmth and affection. I remember with great fondness the visit with my family right after the signing of the historic Mizo Peace Accord on June 30, 1986. The accord is celebrated every year as Remnani. Today, democracy is under threat from the BJP and RSS in Mizoram, in the northeast and across India. They value neither diversity, nor democracy, nor dialogue. They want to impose uniformity across India. In Parliament, the BJP forces laws which weaken the rights of tribals to their lands and forests, and does not even allow the Mizoram Member of Parliament to speak. In Manipur, the BJP has divided society bitterly. Six months of suffering have gone by, but there is no effort towards peace and reconciliation. The Prime Minister is completely silent and has not seen it fit to visit Manipur for even a few hours. In Mizoram, the MNF and the ZPM say they are independent. But are they really? No, I believe they are not. They are gateways for the BJP into Mizoram. The Congress party will never compromise with the BJP. Only the Congress party can guarantee the development of Mizoram, empowerment for its people, and protection for the weakest in society. Our track record in government shows that we deliver on our guarantees, as you have seen in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and Himachal. But most of all, we stand for the protection of the Mizo way of life as enshrined in Article 371G of the Constitution of India, which is the legacy of Rajiv Gandhi. That is why I make a personal appeal, especially to the youth of Mizoram, to the women of Mizoram. This is no time for experiments. Please do vote for the Congress Party, the hand of experience and the hand of security. A vote for the Congress Party is for peace, for progress and prosperity in Mizoram.